Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So lately I've been not very active in this YouTube channel. Sorry, been quite held up with all this traveling and stuff. I'm not here for official work as some of you guys have been asking. I'm here for vacation. So right now I am in St. Moritz on the way to Interlaken in Switzerland. So I just want to do this video for a trade which I took like 1 month back in Chennai. So this trade is the stock is none other than ITC, and I got an opportunity to trade in this, and I deployed around 75 lakhs in this trade, and so far I have a profit of more than 9 to 10%. The last time I checked, so the total profit would be 9 to 10 lakhs. I don't know if I should close or not. You guys let me know, because I'm in this dilemma of holding for long term, or if I should close. See, I'm gonna do my own analysis and come up with it for sure. I just want to know what I just want to know your perspective as to what I can do, because you get 10% of dividend from ITC. So if I just hold it for 1 year, probably if things if the company decides to give 10% dividend, I may get around 7 to 7.5 lakhs as just dividend, just holding it. So yeah, so I'm in this dilemma if I should hold it for long term. I know it has a great potential, and I know its future prospect. So yeah, please let me know your inputs, and let me also explain you why I took up this trade, and why I think ITC technically and fundamentally has a good future. Mainly I'm holding it because of technical. I'm not very good with fundamentals and all, but technically it is good for long term because of few things which I will explain you right now. Bye. Hello guys, so apologies first if you find a drastic difference in the audio, because I'm using different mics for my camera, and I'm using a different mic for recording this. So you might have to reduce, I guess, because the audio of the first 1 or 2 minutes, it wasn't that great. So yeah, this is the ITC chart. As you guys can see here, this is a daily time frame, and previously if you look at the explosive move of this, okay, this happened because of this, correct. This is a pattern, and this after the breakout you could see a explosive move of more than 21%. See, when I say explosive move, it's not like 50-60% like what you get in mid cap and small cap. Trust me, ITC, even if it is a 10 or 9% move, it's like an explosive move for me. Not for me, generally in large cap stock, a 10% move is a very good move. So that is why I consider this as an explosive move. Okay, and what happened right after that, it started to consolidate for how long? Again for 127 days, for more than 4 months, and ITC was basically into this area, which is 230, 236 to 230, 240 area, was kind of a resistance. And what happened was, after the breakout, this was a very strong breakout, as you can see here. It took a very good support in this trend line, and the breakout was very decent. And if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that this is a very strong close after the trend line, so which indicated me that okay, this is at least touching the not the all-time high, the recent high, which is 264. So let me check the all-time high. Okay, never forget it, it doesn't matter. So my expectation was this one, which is 264 or 267, and I was expecting obviously there would be some kind of resistance, and I was also prepared to hold this for a very long time, because normally whenever you enter into huge market cap stocks like this, ITC, the top Nifty 50 stocks, I don't expect it to move 10% in 3 or 4 days or week. I'm ready for 1 or 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, because that's how large cap stocks move, as I mentioned already. So but contrary to the my belief, what happened was ITC just went up like in 2 weeks 11% or 12%. Currently I'm still holding. Even now it has been little bearish, I wouldn't say. The reason why I call it little bearish is because if you look at the weekly time frame, it doesn't look that bad. So if you compare it, this candle, right, this is a bearish candle, and after this candle, that is why you see this kind of consolidation. But I don't see a candle like this, a candle like this here, correct? So that is why I'm still holding, and technically, okay, and I'm still in this dilemma whether to just hold it, because 236 is not a bad average price. If you look at the monthly time frame, ITC has been in this range for more than let me 2013, right? So almost for 9 years, this is like you can say that this is kind of an average price for the past 9 years, right? This is the top, this is the bottom. Yeah, average price somewhere between 245, but I'm still okay. 236, whether to hold it for a long term, or I'm already sitting with a good profit. I could also reallocate the profit and the capital for a different setup, which could help me accelerate the compounding thing, right? So I'm still in the dilemma. You can let me know in the comment section. You please let me know your views. So yeah, in the next video I may come up with some potential breakout. So you let me know if you want it. Comment yes, and also please give me a huge thumbs up. Please do not forget to like this video, and also please do not forget to subscribe. You may miss my potential stocks video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.